I got it. I got a mic now, so I can talk and I can do no hands, but the bike don't go if there ain't a hand on the throttle. So. Oh, and I just found out I might. Well, I didn't just find out. I was told whenever I was at a friend of ours, whenever they were visiting their parents, and his dad had a dirt bike, and I was on it. Well, I saw that I was on it, and then I was told that once I get used to a power band and stuff, I'm gonna get moved up to a 2-stroke and a bigger bike. I'm hoping it's a Kawasaki 125, guys. I've been riding on a 110. That's all I've been doing. I wish I could do this, but then that gets in the way. Record and da-da-da-da. I'll figure it out when I stop over here. Because now I can talk and da-da-da-da. I don't have to worry about the camera and all that stuff. Yeah, we're back in business with the bike, boys. Oh, try not to wreck while I'm downshifting. It slows me down when it does. Doing this all with one hand is tricky, boys. At least I ain't Saran screw over here with wrecked. At least I've been seeing all over TikTok. Or it's not right here. Please do this. The way that ain't gonna break my phone. I think that's good. Y'all guys do that? I think we're good now. Y'all are gonna